Here I have TECNO Pop 7, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you'll need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So firstly, let's remove the cover, kinda like that. It goes off pretty hard, I tell you. Okay, so this side will be okay, because we have this slot right here. So what we do with this tool, we put it inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot pops out. So here we have slot for SD card, and here we have slot for SIM card. Here goes SIM 1 and here goes SIM 2. And then we put it back into device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also notification SD card, tap to setup, which indicates that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.